Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with a clean zone and the right tools because dust ruins adhesion. Turn the laptop off, place it flat, and clear the workspace. Use an air blower first, then a microfiber wipe to remove particles. Make sure no fibers remain. Peel a small corner of the protector backing and add alignment tabs or tape to create a hinge at the top edge. This gives you control. Align once, then lower slowly to avoid misplacement and trapping debris. Once the hinge is secure, lower the protector toward the screen gently. Aligning the top edge first prevents crooked placement. Make first contact in the middle, then press and glide a squeegee or a credit card from center to edges to force air and adhesive outward. Move deliberately and in passes. This prevents bubbles. If you see a speck, lift the nearest corner along the hinge a little, use a dust sticker or tape to pick up the particle, and reapply smoothly. Repeating saves. Now peel off the final protective layer and press all edges and corners with your squeegee to ensure full contact. Make sure the bezel is clean so the protector seats tight. Leave the laptop closed briefly to settle. If you find trapped dust or large bubbles, lift along the hinge, remove the particle with tape, then reapply slowly. For tiny, persistent bubbles, massage them toward the edge with a soft card or use a pin to release air. Then press flat immediately to reseal the adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.